Hi students, you are taking your motion summative test today. Make sure that you have your first name and your last name at the top and the hour that you have science. Your science teacher will put your score and your letter grade in this top section when you are finished with your test. Let's take a look at the first section. It says use the word problem right here to answer the questions. Don't forget to show your units. That is part of your points. It says, Miss Wilrit was running down the hall after a student. You know that the hallway is 90 meters long. It took Miss Wilrit 9 seconds to get from one end of the hallway to the other. So be thinking about the information in the word problem that you need. Your first question, what is the distance in the word problem? Write your answer here with your units. What is the time in the word problem? Answer and units. What was Miss Wilrit's speed? Show your work and don't forget your units. Press pause, press play when you're ready to go on. All right, students, your next section is, what are the different forces acting on the piano as it is moved up a ramp? Remember the 4 parts of a force. Who, what are they doing, to what object, in what direction? So here you have person number 1 right here. Okay, think about who it is, write who it is, what is he doing, to what, in what direction. That's force number 1. Person number 2 is right here. Think about what he is doing. And there is a force number 3 that we've been talking about in science class. Please write the 4 parts of force number 3. Press pause, press play when you're ready to go on. All right, students. Next section, it says, use the picture right here to answer the questions. So looking at the picture, I have the left guy, or the guy on the left, has 20 newtons of force pulling to the left. The right guys here have 10 newtons of force to the right. What are the 2 opposite forces acting on the rope? Remember the 4 parts. Which direction will the rope move? And use the word force to explain why it will move in that direction. Press pause, press play when you're ready to move on. Okay, students, next section. You are going to determine or decide if each object here is either balanced or unbalanced. And then you're going to write balanced or unbalanced on the blank. So the first one is you sitting on your chair. Is that balanced or unbalanced? You falling off your chair. Is that balanced or unbalanced? You laying on the floor after falling off your chair. Balanced or unbalanced? Press pause. Now it says complete the sentences below. An unbalanced force will or will not change the speed, direction, or motion of any object. So if it's unbalanced, will it change the speed, direction, and motion, or will it not? Then describe a situation where an unbalanced force is acting on an object. Press pause, press play when you're ready to go on. All right, students, last section. Now you have to talk about a balanced force. A balanced force will or will not change the speed, direction, or motion of an object. So it will or will not. You're going to circle. Then you're going to describe a situation where a balanced force is acting on an object. So you're going to write us a situation where something is balanced. When you are finished, double check your work and then turn your science test into your science teacher. Good luck, everybody.